Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2019 Hyundai Iload, stock number 6448. This ran from the 5th 2012 to the 3rd 2021. Here's a D4 CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backlight 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4 CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, left rear barnyard door, right rear barnyard door, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door one dent, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,